Well, good morning, everybody. As you can see, we are burning. So much of the branches and leaves that we took off of the mango trees, we have tried to separate out the leaves and just, wow, so labor intensive to try to do that. We did get a good bunch of firewood out of it, which we'll clean up in that, and it'll go up by our barbecue. But overall, like I said, too difficult, too labor intensive, so we basically just decided to burn. We've got some nice leaf coverage here, which will go into the compost piles. We'll rake that up when we're done. And as you can see, Doro and Andoy both are helping down here. What I do is just one burn pile here, and then I make separate piles, and little by little we move everything and that over to the burn pile to burn it. And most of this stuff is green, but like I said, it gets hot enough, everything burns. So it's a quickest and fastest way, and of course it'll give us a good pile of ash here, hopefully, and that we can spread to on the compost piles to help. Like I said, we try as much as we can, so nothing really goes to waste here. So get out the hamburgers and the weenies and let's barbecue here. It would be nice. And like I said before, this is one of two burn piles that I have here. The Filipinos are so used to burning on spot wherever they cut stuff down, and so you'll see their land dotted with 100 different burn piles. I like to kind of keep everything organized here. You know me, organized. So just have a single burn pile here, and then we'll take the, like I said, we'll take the leaves and rake that all up, and yep, going good. Going good. Wasn't planning on quite doing this today, but the piles got so big, and I still want to do some more pruning of some of the mango trees. We've still got quite a few to go, and the major portion of the work is done, because by far the biggest and the most vigorous mango trees we already pruned. So everything else here is going to be a lot smaller pruning, and as you can see, the sun peeking through all the smoke here. Yeah, everybody knows where we're at today. There's just no other way to get rid of the jungle, and like I said, to try to remove the leaves and that, we did a little bit here, and the leaves that have fallen off on the ground here we'll rake up, and that'll all go into probably our new compost piles. And then the ash that's done here, we'll bucket that up and then just spread it over on top of the compost piles, and little by little mix it in. So everything is basically getting recycled here as much as possible. And like I said, we did get some firewood here, so that'll all go up by the house and get cleaned. And I'm walking into the smoke here, as you can see, and still quite a bit left here. Little. Yeah, Little's in heat, so it's hard to keep her home and around here when she's in heat. All the male dogs, as you saw there, are up and around and doing their thing and that. Ain't that right, Little? Yeah, so good. Yeah, so good. Yeah, here, you have a look into the camera, Little. Let the people know. Yeah, you just tell them. I'm just running around here looking for a male because it's that time. So oh yeah, she always follows me around too, but lately, oh boy, she's just she can't wait to get out of the house. Wakes me up in the middle of the night so she can get out of the house, so I let her out so she can go basically looking for the males and that, and there she goes again, knowing that there's the one that was in here is down there. So, and boy, the males sure do find out really quick. Like I said, there are really no dogs tied up here, so, and everybody's got dogs. That's kind of a part of the Filipino culture here, is to have the dogs. So we'll switch back over here and watch the fire burning, and we're getting down there pretty close and that, and then we'll come in here with the rake and rake up all the leaves, get the branches out of it as much as possible, and hopefully at least have a bag full here. And this will probably burn the rest of the day, slow but sure. So I'm going to let everybody go for this go around. Just part of our, let's see, Wednesday morning work. I lose track of the days so easy here. One day kind of melts into another, so I can get up to the house and upload this and put another video on for all of our viewers who, and I keep you all up to date every day. Like I said, I don't hold videos, and what you see is what you get on a daily basis. You've generally got it on the air, sometimes within a half an hour to an hour after I took it. So you've got a chance to live our life here as we're living it. So gonna say goodbye for now from in back of the camera where I always am here. One of these days I'll have to let Beth grab the camera so I can get out in front of it and that, but I don't think any of you will forget what I look like in my gray hair and everything. So we'll say goodbye for now. Like and subscribe, and God bless all of you.